Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to export all sent or received email addresses from Outlook. Without any further ado, let's get started. Start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app on your computer and log into your account. Once you're logged in, wait for all your emails to load completely so Outlook can access your full mailbox. This ensures that when you export your email addresses, you're getting the complete list rather than just a partial one. Now that your emails have loaded, look toward the top part of your screen where all your tools and menus are located. You'll see several tabs running across the top and one of them is labeled File. Go ahead and click on the File tab to open the main menu. This is where Outlook keeps most of its important management and configuration options, including the export features you'll need for this process. Once the File menu opens, you'll see several options displayed. Look for one that says Open and Export and click on it. This will expand into a new set of options specifically related to importing and exporting data. From these new options, click on Import/Export. This action will launch the Import and Export wizard, which is a step-by-step tool that guides you through the export process. When the wizard appears, you'll see a list of different actions you can perform. To export your sent or received email addresses, click on Export to a file, then click Next at the bottom of the window. This tells Outlook that you want to extract data rather than import it. On the next screen, you'll be prompted to choose a file format for your export. You'll typically see options like comma-separated values and other formats. For this tutorial, we'll use CSV or comma-separated values because it's widely compatible with other programs like Excel. Click on it to select it, then click Next to continue. Now you'll see a list of all your email folders displayed in the wizard. This is where you choose which folder you want to export. If you want to export sent email addresses, look for the Sent folder and click on it. If you want received email addresses instead, select your inbox or the specific folder where those emails are stored. Once you've selected the correct folder, click Next to move forward. At this point, you'll be asked to choose a file directory where you want to save the exported file. Click on Browse and a File Explorer window will pop up. Navigate through your folders and choose a destination where you want to save the file. This could be your desktop, documents folder, or any other location that's easy for you to find later. Once you've selected the folder, click OK to confirm your choice and return to the wizard. Finally, you'll see a summary screen showing which folder you're exporting and where the file will be saved. Take a moment to double check that everything looks correct. Make sure you've selected the right folder and that the destination path is where you intended. Once you've verified everything, click Finish to start the export process. Outlook will now extract all the email addresses from the selected folder and save them to your chosen location in CSV format. And that's it. You've successfully exported all your sent or received email addresses from Outlook into a CSV file that you can now open, organize, or import into other applications. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.